here to lead the contingent of the Garhwal Rifles.
So if you can, as you were rehearsing for the Republic Day, what you would like to say on that?
Ma'am, the Garhwal Rifle contingent is a very special contingent because one thing, it's a pure regiment, because here the all contingent boys comes from the 7 districts of Uttarakhand, and this is a pure regiment. And secondly, Garhwal Rifle. This is the rifle regiment, the unique regiment of Indian Army, and we call our boys as a proud bullahs. So from past 1.5 months, we are practicing here along with our instructors. These are the best instructors because they have the eye grading in their drill. So I have around 6 drill instructors who have the eye gradings, and mostly 20% of my bullahs from NCC cadets and 20% are ex-army persons, the 2nd generation or the 3rd generation bullahs.
Jammu and Kashmir Rifles has a distinct and proud history. We were raised as the state forces of the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir by Maharaja Gulab Singh in 1820. Post-independence, this regiment was raised as Jammu and Kashmir Rifles when the state of Jammu and Kashmir became an integral part of this country. So after the independence, it came to be known as the Jammu and Kashmir Rifles Regiment. It has taken part in various operations and war which the Indian Army has fought. Particularly in the operation of Vijay, it had done a tremendous job where the regiment has earned 2 Paramveer Chakras and the Theatre Honour of Kargil. So the regiment had performed exceptionally well and had earned accolades for the Indian Army.
Lastly, you all were rehearsing for the Republic Day. What would you like to say?
I would like to say that this is the dream of every officer, JCU and Jawan of the Indian Army to represent himself, his regiment and particularly Army on this platform wherein it's a national event, and I would say that the country and the full world is watching the might of this nation. So it's a proud moment for me, for my unit and for my regiment that we are representing our regiment on this stage, and it will be an honor for me and my regiment to march on the Rajpath on the 26th of January this year.
I'm from the Maha Regiment. It was the first of the regiments which was based on all India, all class concept. That means it comprises of troops from all the regions of India, of all castes. So we are a very proud regiment. We have one Paramveer Chakra, and Paramveer Chakra by Major Ramaswamy Parameshwaran. And we also have the youngest recipient of the Mahavir Chakra, Sipahi Anusuya Prasad. We also have the privilege of giving 2 generals, that is General Krishna Swami Sundarji and General K.V. Krishna Rao, to the Indian Army as the youngest raised regiment. And we were the first of the machine gun regiments that was raised in the Indian Army.
You'll be performing, you're rehearsing for the Republic Day.
Yes.
So what would you like to...
So, tricky, I'm not getting the question. Please.
I asked that you are rehearsing for the Republic Day.
Yes.
So what would you like to say on the Republic Day?
So yes, this Republic Day, it's a matter of national pride, and it's indeed a matter of honor for the entire contingent, in fact the entire organization. So yes, we are very excited, and we have been preparing for this for about 3-4 months. And we are hoping to put up a good show on the D-Day.
The Corps of Signal, as you can see, we are coming here for RDP. Last time we came in 2020 and we won the best marching contingent, and this time also we will win the best marching contingent.
Is this the first time you are leading the...
No, last time, this is my first time, but last time also the Corps of Signal contingent was led by a women officer, Captain Tanya Shergill.
How does it feel for you to lead this?
It feels empowering, it feels exciting, and I feel very thankful and grateful for the organization and for my corps to giving me such a great opportunity. Thank you.
And you all are rehearsing for the Republic Day. What
Yes.
would you like to say for the day?
Just we'll be putting up our best show and we are hoping for the best.
ये हमारा रेजिमेंट 200 साल पुराना है और इसके अंदर 4 स्टेट के हैं, लगभग सेंट्रल इंडिया के, दिल्ली, राजस्थान, यूपी, हरियाणा से बिलोंग करते हैं सभी लड़के इसके अंदर। और ये एक जोशीला और बहुत पुराना सेंटर है। इंडियन आर्मी का सबसे पुराना सेंटर है ये।
और रिपब्लिक डे के लिए रिहर्सल कर रहे हैं, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
ये रिहर्सल कर रहे हैं हम पिछले 4 महीने से लगभग अपना सेंटर बरेली के अंदर तैयारी करके आए हैं और यहाँ पे भी हमारे को 1 महीना से ज्यादा हो गया है, तो एक अच्छी तैयारी कर रहे हैं।